Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to do some Dancing Gnomes. And it'll be a Christmas version for today. So let's get started. You're going to start with a base card that measures 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. A piece of DSP, which is Decorated Series paper, which measures 4 by 5 1/4. This piece is actually from the Celebrate Everything, which is the host DSP that you can earn during the mini catalog that goes from June to December 2022. And then a lovely mechanism that helps the dancing that measures 1 by 1 1/2, and then I use the nose die to actually make that circle there, the hole. So we're going to go ahead and fold along the score. And then for the DSP, we're going to use the split card textures that look like this. We're going to use this side here. And just a sneak peek, this is another die set called Pretty Pop-Ups. I like to store them together if they don't have any coordinating stamps to go with it. So let me run this through the cut and emboss machine. I'll be right back. And here we go. Isn't that neat? All right, then we're going to take some glue on the other side. Let me start again. Here we go. Sometimes it just needs a little shake. Some glue here. Don't forget the edges because you don't want them to suddenly pop up. And then I just like putting some glue just on the centers here to make sure that they stay down. I see a couple pieces didn't pop out, so I'm just going to pop them out real quick. I think that's it. I'll do one more dot right here. Center it on our base. There we go. All right, so ready for the gnome. So for the gnome, I have the hat, the beard, the feet, and the nose. And what's cool about it is there's actually areas where you can actually put the nose here to line it up. And then there's a spot for the bottom of the hat right there. And you just line those up. And that is the gnome. And then what I do is I flip it over here and grab our dimensionals, and I'm going to put 2 on the beard. So I'm going to take the release paper, the first one. That gives it the mechanism. And just to make it even, you're going to do the same for the hat, because you want them on the same level. Alright, so for the mechanism, I'm just going to hang it here, and that's what allows you to kind of to dance. You see that on there? But we also have to put the feet on, and you see you can kind of still see the white from there. So what I do is I line up the feet here, and I see that it just needs to be cut in on the edges so they don't stick out. So I just cut a little bit here. Doesn't have to be exact, but it just makes it so when you put the feet there, you won't be able to see the white part. So let's put a little glue there. And we're going to test it out real quick. So it doesn't really stick out. There you go. I'm going to cut a little bit, I think a little off, because it's showing in between the legs. Right there. That's why I like using the glue. You can actually adjust before it dries. There it is. So it just hangs there. So I'm going to remove the release papers. But I want to make sure that this doesn't get caught on the adhesive. So I'm going to hold it like that and flip it over. And stick it kind of centered. Let's test it out. Yep, there's the dancing. It's just going to keep flipping. And then just to add a little more festive for the holiday, we're going to stamp Merry Christmas and Royal Red. And then I'm going to use the decorative circle punch to punch that out. I'll center it in here. And where should we put it? I guess we can put it here. So I'll do some adhesive here. I got my Stampin' Seal. And there you go. A dancing gnome to go along with your holiday. There you go. Your holiday cards. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, and share the video. And I'll be making some more video tutorials for you. Have a great day. Bye.